Ayam Cemani facts. Meet the Ayam Cemani, an Indonesian chicken breed. Pitch black from feathers to bones, it's the Lamborghini of poultry. This isn't ordinary poultry, it's pure luxury. This chicken's black color isn't just skin deep. Its muscles, organs, and even bones are ink black. Truly, the ultimate black beauty. Its eggs? Cream-colored. A delightful contrast to its dark physique. A surprise from nature, wrapped in an elegant package. Ayam Cemani isn't just an exotic pet. In Indonesian culture, it's a symbol of power and mysticism. A chicken, with a touch of magic. So, intrigued by the Ayam Cemani? This feathered enigma is worth exploring.